Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your travel coverage with AXA Assistance, beginner guides. To increase your travel coverage with AXA Assistance, begin by assessing your current needs. Determine the type of travel you will be undertaking, such as solo trips, family vacations, or business travel. Next, visit the AXA Assistance website to explore their available travel insurance plans. Review the various coverage options offered, including medical expenses, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. Consider the duration of your travels, as this will affect the coverage you require. Once you have a plan in mind, use the online calculator to estimate the cost of your desired coverage. Make sure to read the policy details carefully to understand the terms and conditions. After selecting your plan, proceed to the application form on the website. Fill in your personal information accurately, including your travel dates and destinations. If you have existing medical conditions, disclose them as required by the policy. Review all your entered information to avoid mistakes. Submit your application and await confirmation of your coverage. Once confirmed, save a copy of your insurance policy and any relevant contact information for AXA Assistance. Before traveling, ensure that you have access to your policy details while on the go. Familiarize yourself with the claims process in case of an emergency during your trip. Stay informed about any travel advisories or restrictions that may affect your coverage. With these steps, you can confidently increase your travel coverage with AXA Assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.